Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we're going to go over Orenda's PR-10000 phosphate remover. Let's check this thing out. All right, so we're back. So Orenda has a PR-10000 phosphate remover. This thing's been around for over 10 years. Huge fans of it. Back when I used to run service company, all the pool guys use this as their phosphate remover. So you're probably asking yourself, like, what is a phosphate and why is it necessary inside of, or necessary to get out of your pool? Because obviously there's a remover. We don't want that in your water. So phosphates, in layman's terms, is just algae food. So if you have phosphates present in your pool, that's what the algae is going to eat and grow and just blow up with. So if you don't have phosphates in your water, your likely chance of getting algae in your pool is going to go slim to none. So that's why it's always important to remove those phosphates and just scrap it out of your water so that way you have nice clean water. Phosphates get in your pool by wind travel, and pretty much they're just airborne. And also organics. So I was in a chemistry class years ago, and they said that Hawaii is fertilized by the air of China. So that's how far phosphates travel from China to Hawaii. So I don't know if that's 100% true or not, but that's what in my chemistry class they kept talking to us about how far these things travel. Especially we're in the Arizona market. We have these things called haboobs. I'm sure you've seen them on the news. Maybe we could show you a little snippet here of what it looks like on a haboob, just a picture of it. It's just a giant dust storm that comes through. So imagine that coming through, all the organics, all the everything inside that air is now just being dumped inside your swimming pools, on your house, just everywhere. So again, that's just algae food. It's going in your water. We need to get rid of it. So PR-10000, why this one is so good, it's a rare earth metal is what it is that's inside here. I believe it's either lanthanum or cerium. I don't know the formulation anymore. I think it's all proprietary now. Ultimately, what it does, it binds with the phosphates, and then it goes into your filtration system, and then it's filtered out either by backwashing your standard DE filter or cleaning out your cartridges. Ultimately, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So all you want to do is add 2 ounces per 10,000 for up to 500 parts per billion. I mean, this thing's a 32-ounce bottle. They call it the oil can in the industry because it looks like an oil can. It's industrial looking. But on the side of here, you have your little measurement chart. So you can, first you want to shake this thing up really good, add it the amount of ounces on the back of here to your water, straight to your water. You're going to see it cloud up. It's going to pretty much turn this, your pool is going to turn the same color as this bottle. It's going to be white. I mean, it is going to be, your pool is going to look like milk. And it could do that for a couple hours up to a couple days. When it clears up, that pretty much means all the phosphates have graduated, all are gathered all the way to your pool filter. So now you're good. You can swim, you can clean your filter out. You guys will be happy. So this is PR-10000, you guys. Highly recommend this to get your phosphates out of your swimming pool. It'll keep you guys algae free for most of the summer. So again, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.